Okay, ladies and gents, tonight we are going to be testing the 3000 watt Pure Sine Wave inverter from Harbor Freight. You can see over here, the box looks very nice. On the outside, it has a couple really nice features. It has a remote control, 2 outlets, 110 volts each, supposed to be 3000 watts each as well. A couple indicators, and it's connected with really beefy cables to my battery. You can see over there with AGM batteries, and I'm gonna test it with this Kobalt 26-gallon compressor, which is supposed to be rated at 12 amps or so. It might draw a little bit more, especially starting, because as you may or may not know, these guys do require a little bit of a amperage or current peak when they start up. Okay, so let's test it just for testing sake on the outlet. There we go. And you can hear it working now. Shut it off, and now we're gonna plug it to the inverter. Let's turn the inverter on. It reads system normal. Hopefully this is readable. I don't know, this is not a great camera. My battery is almost 100% charged, as seen over there. That's great. Now let's plug the thing in with one hand, which is not awesome, but there we go. All right, so the system is ready. Give me a countdown. 3, 2, 1. What's gonna happen? Boop. Boom. And the system is begging for mercy. Please turn me off. Overload. As it reads over there, overload shut off. And it's saying that there's a fault there. So yeah, I didn't like it at all. So this guy, you're kind of whiny, aren't you? Let's turn it off because it's annoying the heck out of me. But yeah, this is a huge letdown. It's a great price point. It's at a great price point at $599 for a Pure Sine Wave inverter. But unfortunately, it doesn't look like it can work like it's advertised at 3000 watts. So I guess it's going back to the store. And I was kind of lucky to get it because it's a new unit, brand new from Harbor Freight.